This is the video about the demo of our cross-claim relation detector Hypalgator. And on the front page, you can select which condition you want to query on, also the version of source data and the version of model we use to generate the result. For example, here we select condition 5, March the 28th data with NLP version 4 model using description. On the front page here, we will first see all the query claims in condition 5. And the claim object column is the X variable for either the query or the candidate claims, which contains either the query claim object or the answer object. Then we can select the query we want to check. For example, this query is saying Manuela Carmela have COVID-19. And when we search for all the answers of this query claim, the system will extract and show all the ranked answer claims. We can further select here a relation to show the answer that are either supporting, refuting, or related to the query claim. For example, in refuting claims, we can see the top two answers are saying Manuela doesn't have COVID-19, and in supporting claims, we can see that since Manuela is a Spanish, we have answers suggesting that there are COVID-19 in Spain. Another query here is saying blood clots can be caused by COVID-19 vaccine. And also in refuting claims, we can see that our system return claims saying COVID-19 vaccine cannot cause blood clots. And also in related claims, we have answers suggesting that COVID-19 can cause other type of disease or deaths. And we also provide a filter on claimer where you can select to show the answer that the claimer is just author or a specific person or organization we extracted from the background text. And this is for condition 5. For condition 6 and 7, similarly, we can check the answer for different topics. For example, for E301, the topic is COVID-19 vaccine is harmful. And in the result, we can see all the claim answers are under this topic, and our system will show the cross-claim relation between all these answers. So we have supporting, refuting, and related IDs here. And for example, the first answer is saying COVID-19 vaccine is harmful, it can cause deaths. And if we want to take a look at a refuting claim, we have all the IDs showing here. And if we want to take a look at it as an example, this one is saying COVID-19 vaccine, because epistemic status is false certain, is saying COVID-19 vaccine cannot cause death, which is refuting to the previous claim we're looking at. And for condition 7, similarly, we have all the query topics here. For example, this one is saying NPI necessity for preventing the spread of COVID-19. Click on the search button, we get all the answers from our system. And well, the first one is saying self-quarantine is necessary for preventing the spread of COVID-19, which definitely makes sense. And if we want to look at the supporting claims as an example this time, we similarly have all the IDs here, and we can take a look at it as an example. This one is saying lockdown is necessary for preventing COVID-19. Epistemic status is the same as the previous one, so they are supporting each other. And for example, if we want this time look at a related claims, we can see all the IDs. And for example, this one is saying soap is necessary for preventing the spread of COVID-19. It still makes sense, but soap is definitely different from lockdown, different from self-quarantine. So this one is identified as related to the previous claims.